Hey guys, welcome back to Place Color Closet. Today we are in my Walmart and I just went swimming, so that's why I'm in my bathing suit. So I got the Jumbo Squish de-lish. It is $15 plus tax. And so I'm going to open it. I think it's the unicorn or the gerbil. And just so you know, in my last video when I opened one of these, I told you you can do it against the unicorn, but there is little holes that you can peek through. So I'm just going to open it right now. So here it is. 1, 2, 3. Jeez, I don't know if I can open this. Like, these are really hard to open. Oh, there we go, there we go. Oh, what? I got a limited edition. I got a limited edition. Okay, so this is not on the packaging. As you can clearly see, it is a limited edition.
You picked the right one, Chloe.
It is totally a limited edition, so OMG, I'm so lucky. I've never seen anybody get a limited edition. What the heck? Oh my god, I love this. Oh my god, they smell so good.
Your lucky day, Chloe.
Like, this is totally my lucky day. Like, oh my gosh. I've never seen anybody get a limited edition. Because this is not on the packaging at all. It is so cute. It's a bunny. And this is squishier than all of the jumbo squishies. So, like, look. It is obviously not on here. More squishies, more delish. It does not say collect one. Wait, one. Oh. Collect one item. I don't know. It doesn't say anything about, like, there's a limited edition. So,
Really?
no. So I just totally, I was thinking maybe this is a limited edition, but I was like, they don't have a limited edition, but oh my god, it is. Yay! I'm so.
Is she squishy?
Oh, she's squishier and more slow rising than all of them because I've squished them.
Oh, and don't forget to mention this is the biggest Walmart in the United States of America.
Yeah.
Here in Oklahoma City.
Which one
That's
it
funny.
I don't know which one it is, but
Okay, this episode say bye.
bye, and thanks for watching.